Thokozani, so does ancestors or do ancestors affect relationships? Because I hear a lot of abantwana banedlozi noma abantwana bedlozi bathanda ukuthi gogo uyazi ukuthi izinto thina imishado no amadoda wahlali abantu besifazane abahlali, right? And I took time and I thought about it and I meditated on it, So here's my 2 cents, right? Abantu abadala abazwani nomjolo, not relationships. Remember, ungenwe amakhehla nezalukazi ebeziganile. Ngesintu sithi umuntu wesifazane makangakagani akakabe umfazi usasentombazane. Umuntu wesilisa makangakagani usase umfana akakabi indoda. And futhi makenze ukuthi amadoda angene esibayeni akangeni, makenzakala ukuthi amadoda ayadla akahlali namadoda, irregardless ukuthi una 50 una 60, mangabe kunengane na 20 yomfana eshadile iwubaba uyohlala namadoda, yena lona 60 uyohlala nabafana, right? So now we have a problem and a situation whereby abantu, they are girlfriends and boyfriends and they wanted to be treated as though they married. Ukiyo home affairs, ukiyobhadala certificate, marriage certificate, esu-70 rand, does not equate to marriage. Anybody can do that. You can just go sign. Okay? As long as you agree. Umshado uqaqa kahle ngesintu, uphelelisiwe, ufakwe esibayeni, ubikwe edlozini. That's umshado. Why wouldn't abantu abadala want something so beautiful and something so created by God? It's because nina nifuna ukujumpa from one relationship. Number one, bayabona ukuthi solo kuna 3 years nalo mfana wenzani? Udla inkomo, uyadla esibayeni saka mama angakhokhile. Mabamsusu, uyahamba, instead of you learn, uyahamba uyajumpa relationship, then you thinking ukuthi abantu abadala they don't want you to be in relationships, and they do want you to be in relationships, just that abawufuni lo mjolo. Thokozani leseli khanya cama kondawo eshewe.